Hi, my name is Erik from Memphis, Costa, Mesa. Today I'm gonna show you how to make our southern fried chicken from Memphis Cafe. This is what we need. So we need olive oil, Louis chicken sauces, and onions. Saute this for about 3-4 minutes. This is for the gravy, and we start to doing the roux too. So we need the butter, flour, we add 3 cups of heavy cream. We let the heavy cream start boiling, and we incorporate the roux. This is our contour gravy. We just finished it with a tablespoon of salt and a tablespoon of fresh black pepper. And this is a perfect contour gravy. For the chicken, we have 8 ounces chicken airline. We make a cut, butterfly cut. So the chicken is previously marinated in the fresh garlic, cilantro, olive oil, salt and pepper. And then we dip on the buttermilk, flour mix, and deep fry for about 4 or 5 minutes. Garlic mashed potatoes. We have collard greens. The collard greens we make with roasted garlic, bacon, honey, cider vinegar,